Ultimate superfood almond butter with dark chocolate. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Art of Cooking. Today we are making something absolutely decadent and nutritious. Homemade dark chocolate almond butter loaded with pumpkin, flax and sunflower seeds. A touch of olive oil for that perfect creaminess, finished with flaky Maldon sea salt. This is rich, chocolatey, nutty and packed with superfoods, way better than store-bought versions. If you're tired of boring spreads, this one's a game changer. It's vegan, gluten-free and incredibly easy to make at home. Stick around because I'll share the simple recipe plus the amazing health benefits, why do-it-yourself beats commercial versions every time, and a quick history of nut butters. Nut butters have been around for centuries. The Aztecs and Incas ground roasted nuts into paste as far back as ancient times. Almond butter and seeded versions are newer twist, but mixing nuts with chocolate? That dates back to Europe during cacao shortages, leading to treats like Gyan Duja. But the modern concept of nut butter as a health food really kicked off in the late 19th and 20th century, developed by health pioneers like Dr. John Harvey Kellogg as a protein source for patients needing easily digestible food that didn't require chewing meat. Let's talk about the ingredients in this recipe. Almonds. We are going to roast these ourselves for a depth of flavor. They are packed with healthy monosaturated fats, fiber, protein and vitamin E. Next, the super seed trio, pumpkin, sunflower and flax. This is where we get omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium for muscle recovery and zinc for immunity. 70% dark chocolate. Antioxidants from cocoa fight radicals, improve mood and support heart health. A splash of extra virgin olive oil. This helps the blending process and adds polyphenols. And finally the crown jewel, Maldon sea salt. Those pyramid flakes give you that irresistible sweet and salty crunch. Together, protein, healthy fats, fiber, antioxidants, sustain energy, supports heart health, reduces inflammation and curbs craving. Perfect post-workout or as a snack. So for the recipe you will need 2 cups of raw almonds, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup flax seeds, 100 grams of 70% dark chocolate, 3 to 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil and Maldon sea salt to taste. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Spread almonds, pumpkin, sunflower and flax seeds on a baking sheet. Roasting warms the natural oils in the almonds and seeds, making them easier to blend, and the flavor difference between raw and roasted nuts is night and day. Roast for 10 to 12 minutes until fragrant and cool slightly. Meanwhile, while the nuts and seeds are roasting in the oven, let's melt the dark chocolate in a double boiler. After the chocolate has been melted, keep it on the side of the double boiler so it stays warm. Add the almonds and the seeds to a high-powered food processor. Blend on high, scraping sides as needed. It will go crumbly, then ball up, then smooth in about 8 to 10 minutes. Add in the extra virgin olive oil to incorporate everything into a fine paste, and also the almonds will release their natural oils. Take out the mixture from the food processor in a bowl and pour it in the warm dark chocolate and mix everything up with a spatula. And finally, the Maldon sea salt. I like to fold this by hand at the very end so the flakes don't break up. You want to bite those little salty diamonds. There you have it, the ultimate homemade treat. Try it on toast, in smoothies, as a fruit dip, or on pancakes or waffles. If you make this, tag me. I love seeing your creations. What nut butter should I make next? Drop ideas below, like, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and thanks for watching and see you next time.